Ogai mar ODM Raila oseo nek ma osebedo katimore e thur Kenya to nek mar moko kuom rawere manowuok oko ne ng'anyo manobagi e pacho ka juma mokalo ne rapar rawere manowito ngimagi e lwet obila nowuo e kinde mane oyuore nyasi mar lamo manobagi e kanisa mar ACK Mabondo e kaunti ma Siaya. Nyasi mabende ne osidhe min ode mama Aida Odinga kaka kanon e kanisa no Mabondo. Odinga kwa oganda jo Kenya mondo luw chik pono ne oyud ng'ato gi ketho moloyo kawo ngimane. Bende oseo timbe maundu ma kweth moko timo e kinde mag ng'anyo.
You have witnessed a lot of bloodshed in the country recently. Children, people who went out to demonstrate, some of them died. Some of them died, some of them shot by the police officers. Because they are criminals who came out to do deliberate destruction of property. Yes. Those ones we can condemn in the strongest terms possible. But the same breath, we must also censor the police. The police should never ever shoot to kill. Police have no license to kill human beings. If somebody has committed a crime, arrest that person and take him before a court of law, charge him. And therefore, we condole with those people who have lost their loved ones. But at the same time, we condemn the criminals who deliberately went to destroy people's properties. We need a national convention to talk about the way forward, the Kenya we want. That's what is going to solve all the problems that we have in the country today.